Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Snapchat call sound not working problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode. After few seconds, turn off flight mode. Now go back to home screen and then find Snapchat apps. Long press on Snapchat apps and then go to Snapchat app info. Just click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Click on storage. Click on clear cache and then go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Now update your Snapchat apps. Search Snapchat. From here, update your Snapchat apps in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After restarting your phone, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully.